Today we're going to show you how to change a ribbon. This is a Royal Quiet Deluxe. I do have gloves on. This is one that we just currently listed, and it has a fresh ribbon in it, so our ribbons have a lot of ink on them, and I just like to wear gloves to keep it from getting all over. So to remove your ribbon, you're just going to pull up your ribbon spool. This is have a little guide here, and it'll kind of slide out, and you just need to pull the ribbon out of the guide. And we'll do the same for the other side. And these guides on the Real Quiet Deluxe, they will pull out, and then you just gotta pull your ribbon out. And once it's out there, then I kind of set it down. Then on your ribbon violator, you're just gonna pull up. You kind of have to pull up and over. It is easier if you have it on the red, so that way the vibrator will come up a little higher.
The red setting.
And it goes behind that, and behind that, and it comes out. And we'll just pull this out, kind of straighten it back up. So on a Royal Quiet Deluxe, you do have a ribbon guide here. These will push out, so it's easier to put in. And you can see it's got to go down in this little slot, and then in between there. Same way with this one on the right, it's the same thing. Again, it's just got a little slot, and the ribbon just goes down in there. And your ribbon, on your ribbon vibrator, you can see it will come in from behind, and it'll go through these little slots here on the left and the right. Hard to see there, but so we'll put this back in. Again, the black's always on the top, the red's on the bottom. I'll put it in that side, and that side. And on this one, just easier if I push it in from the bottom and then up. And here, bottom and up, so those are in place. Now this one's going to come in from behind, and again it's easier if you've got it on your red ribbon selector, and it's going to come up from the bottom here, up from the bottom there, and then you're going to put it in the guide on both the right and then the left side, and that's that. And I'll pull it tight. This one's popped out, sometimes you'll do that, and now it's back in. So that's how you change a ribbon on a Royal Quiet Deluxe.